Welcome to this new lecture of Master Computer Vision in Opencv with Python. In this lecture, we will learn how to find shapes in an image. Now, let's start our code. First of all, we import our required libraries, import cv2, import numpy as np, and import matplot.py as visually run the cell. Okay. Now we read our original image, in which shapes are identified or labeled. This line of code read our original image, which show our original image. Okay, this is our original image, where we find the shapes which are inside the image. Its mean our task is to identify this shape and label as rectangle, and then find this shape and label as square, and then find this shape and label as triangle, and then we find circle, and then we find the star and label as star. Okay, the first step. Now we convert our original image into grayscale image and then convert it into binary image. Okay, this line of code will convert our original image into grayscale image, and this line of code convert our grayscale image into binary image. This block of code show our binary image. This is our converted binary image. Extract contours of binary image. Contours, comma, hierarchy is equal to cv2 dot find contours, and pass our binary image, and then pass these attributes of find contours functions. Okay, now we identify each shape and image one by one. Iterate contours in contour lists for cnt into contours. First we approximate our contours. This line of code approximate our contours. This true means contour is a closed contour. This line of code approximate our contours. Okay, draw contours around each shape and assign their labels. Detect triangle in our original image and put text as triangle at its center. If our contour's length is equal to 3, then it is a triangle. Okay, and draw the contours of triangle. cv2 contours image, pass the contour index, and color of contours. Okay, find the center of contours of triangle, where we write label of shape. M is equal to cv2.moments, pass the contours, cx means and cy means the these three lines of codes find the center of our contours, and cv2 dot put text image triangle, and this function put the text triangle at the center of our triangle or detected shapes. Okay, detect rectangle and square shape in our original image. And if length of our contour is equal to 4, find rectangles in contour list. This bounded rectangle function cv2 dot bounding rectangle function actually returns the contours which make a rectangle. Find the center of rectangle or square. Okay, check if contours of 4 is check if contours of is a rectangle or square. Okay, if absolute of w minus h is less than is equal to 3, then it is a condition which tells us our shape is a square, and we draw square. Else our shape is rectangle. Okay, and we put text rectangle inside our rectangle shape. Detect star shape in our original image. If our length of contour is equal to 10, it means the number of contours in star shape is 10. Okay, then find the center of star shape or detected shape, and this line of code, draw the contours around the star and label as star. Okay, we take circle shape in our original image. If the contours of our original image is greater than or equal to 15, it means the number of contours in circle shape is greater than 50. Find the center of circle and put text inside the circle as a circle. Okay, run the cell. Okay. Show original image with shape detection. Okay. See the result. Rectangle is detected, square is detected, triangle is detected, circle is detected, and star is detected and labeled as star. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.